from my people from LX company.
Hello,
Mr.
Mr.
You guys. I'm Mr. Nguta. Yeah, I really appreciate you for the good job you did. And hereby, I want you to take it on being good.
Thank you, Mr. Nguta. Mr. Kenga here, the electrical contractor. I'm coming with my junior, senior most staff, and in the lobby we have another team of junior technicians. For this project, there's no doubt we will do very good work like we did before here. So we can go there so that we can start today's task.
So let me take you to the main project. So this is the underground floor, and I will also take you to the upper room.
Okay, as I told you, we have my junior technicians here.
Yeah.
So we have the senior most here. One.
Yeah, Mr. Kesu. We'll be taking over this ground floor.
Okay.
Is around given by the contractor.
So, and here we have Mr. Nyai.
I'm going to give you the second floor.
So you're the one who is going to undertake the first floor?
Yeah. Okay, there are 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. Okay, welcome good.
Okay, so Mr. Nyai, we have the team here, so we will do the contractor.
Damau, Gilbert. Munga.
Welcome, Javis.
Okay, so as Mr. Kisu, we want to assign your people for today's task here on the parking lot.
For the ground floor which will be taking over, Mr. Munga will be drawing cables on this office before lunch time. We will be drawing the cables from here. Then after doing this before lunchtime, we will be drawing cables from this other side.
Yeah, guys, need to just say my place is there down.
Yeah. Okay, it will be the same like that one.
Okay.
So after you have done the drawing of cables there, we will continue with this. Okay? Then I have Mr. Kenga here, which will be taking over the drawing of cables in the other part, the other 2 bedrooms here. So that will be done before lunchtime.
Yeah, hope your team will cooperate well.
Yeah, we will cooperate.
I need to do that.
No, we will get
Can proceed.
Okay, Mr. Nyai here, we're going to send your team for today's work on the first floor.
On the fact that we have 2 bedroom units and 1 bedroom unit. So we have 2 bedroom units. I will assign Mr. I will assign Mr. Damau this one as
Damau check over these 2 bedrooms. And in a good lock.
and the other one, I think should come this side. So we'll be doing with this area. Mr. Sakiba. Okay? So how many days will it take to get to do this work? You have been given assigned to this now.
It's not that we can have been here, so the contract here will make sure the work is well done here. No problem. But no doubt we can go to.
This one here. This one and the other
Okay. We'll gather there on the ground floor in the parking so that they can verify your work before they end the task here. So from here, go gather your tools and start the work.
Okay, guys, can continue working. Hope your team will not give you a hard time and they will cooperate. Let me go to the other side.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a nice day. Okay.